They said I needed a camera, actors, a crew, a studio. All I had, the kingdoms myself. So I built the kingdoms myself. I gave myself cities that never sleep. Planets no telescope has ever seen. From the ashes, I found a new world. They said it was just a story, but the stories are all true. No camera, no crew, no studio, just imagination and the tools to set it free.
This cinematic movie trailer you just watched, with 6 different worlds, voices, and music, was created just by typing my idea into text using OpenArt's new feature called OpenArt Director. You might think most AI tools can already do this, but when you actually try, it's very different. You write a prompt "wait," and you get short 5 to 10 second clips. The character keeps changing in every shot. There's no voice, no music. Then you spend hours joining clips together, fixing mistakes, and trying again and again. And still it doesn't feel consistent. In this video, I'll show you the full process, step by step, of how I turned my idea, the one you just watched, into a short film trailer with consistent characters. Quick thing before we start, if you like simple breakdowns of AI tools that actually work, subscribe to Ninja Tech so you don't miss our next video. I also have a 15% off code for the monthly plan, and the link is in the description. Use that link to open OpenArt instead of searching it yourself. All right, let's get into it. So when you sign up OpenArt, you'll land on the homepage, and there's something important you should know. OpenArt Director is not just for short films. You can also create music videos, UGC ads, product commercials, brand films, explainer videos, micro dramas, and full cinematic trailers, all from the same system. With Chat to Director option, you can create videos just by chatting with AI. Here, you can also upload a reference character and define your concept in the chat. I want to generate a short film around an aspiring filmmaker, traveling through impossible worlds, staying visually consistent, and ultimately revealing that the entire film was created using AI. Instead of directly generating the final video, always choose the Guide Me option, because that's what gives you full control over every phase: characters, environments, voice, style, and scene generation. After you start, the AI, called Ori, asks a few quick questions like aspect ratio, resolution, and mood. And if you don't want to decide anything, you can simply choose Just Make It mode. It automatically selects the best settings and starts generating your video. But answering 2 questions doesn't make a film. The real magic starts now. Because the next thing it did was write the entire script itself. From my idea, OpenArt's Director wrote a full storyboard script. 8 scenes, roughly a 90-second film. Every scene broken down, characters defined, every single shot planned, which you can also edit anytime. And it's not random. It even added a recurring doorway of light transition to connect every scene smoothly. This is the kind of work that usually takes a screenwriter days, and here, it happens in seconds. After the script was approved, it immediately moved into production mode, breaking each scene into smaller shot parts and planning every detail of the film. From a simple empty room with a desk, it expands into a full cinematic world-building process. A medieval kingdom, a neon cyberpunk city, a deep forest, an alien planet, a war-damaged city street, and the lost underwater city of Atlantis, all tied together with a voiceover guiding the story behind the scenes. All right, the visuals are locked, but a silent film isn't a film. So where do the voice and music come from? This is where OpenArt Director goes further. It automatically generates the voiceover, background music, and sound effects, all together with the visuals in a single render. No extra tools needed. So now the film is written, directed, voiced, and fully produced. But the real question is, When the same character appears across all these worlds, does it stay consistent every time? And that's OpenArt Director's biggest achievement. Now watch this part carefully. My character stays the same across all 6 worlds. That's where the director really works. Same face, same character, every time. For deeper control, there's also a professional editor with 3 views: shot view for individual shots, scene view for the full storyboard, and timeline view for adding music, voiceover, captions, timing, and trimming. If you don't like a shot or want changes, you can simply regenerate it with small edits, or modify and expand the video anytime and even upload from your device. At this point, you get both creative freedom and full precision in your hands. When everything looks perfect, just click export, choose your aspect ratio, download it, and use it commercially, in ads, client work, or anywhere else. And that's it. Your full film is ready. So that's a finished voiced film with 6 different worlds, all made from just one simple idea in a few minutes. Now making videos has become really easy. If you want to try it, the link and 15% off code are in the description. Use that link, not a Google search. And if you've got any questions about OpenArt Director, drop them in the comments. I'll answer them. Also, make sure to watch my video on OpenArt VFX features. It basically removes the need for green screens and lets you add effects directly into your video. Go make something. Thanks for watching.